Hey, that's a Soda Pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching the Malak channel, and today we are going through the third book in Udon's Art of Capcom series. I've already done the first two, so if you're interested in those, maybe check them out. I've been impressed so far. This one I think has my favorite cover design. It's just a very explosive illustration. It's awesome. Kind of consistent design. Very cool. Resident Evil. Jeffrey Chamba Cruz. I like that ink work a lot. I feel like I'm gonna have to go back through these and follow some new people that I was not aware of previously. There's just so many amazing pieces. It's getting tough with my Instagram feed, though. I'm starting to follow just too many people. I'm having a hard time remembering names and stuff because there's just so much great art out there. Gotta work on it though, that's my field, right? I like the line work on this. Let me quick make sure it's still recording. That's good. Really like that cami. Yeah, I like all these. This one's awesome. Just this very like beefy version of the both of them. What the hell? Yeah, these are all kind of these fun cover designs. This is awesome. Yeah, I'm loving these. Now, these are really nice too. These kind of multi-figure tributes of one character. Oh yeah, I remember. This one did sustain some damage in shipping, which sucked. So some of these corners got kind of accordioned onto themselves, which at least it's not deep in the page, but it still sucks. Oh man, every day I record reviews of art books. It does help. It does inspire me. It is kind of tough sometimes, I feel like. I'm sure it's tough for different reasons once you're late in your career, but when you're not getting consistently paid, or you don't have a large audience fawning over your stuff all the time, sometimes it can get kind of discouraging. And you can sit there and wonder, like, you know, you start to doubt yourself. But whenever I go through an impressive art book, it just like fills me with like that determination again to like get back at it. I'm gonna have to look up Longville. I'm liking a lot of their stuff. Oh man, I got so many people I need to find. I loved playing Mega Man X as a kid, and the music was just awesome. There are just so many great tracks, great characters, the battles were cool. I feel like X is way cooler than OG Mega Man. OG Mega Man is like Adam West Batman. Mega Man X is like, who was it, Christian Bale? Panzer. Panzer's got some sick stuff too. I wonder if I've accidentally passed some of Bengus's stuff or like not noticed it was Bengus. I'm pretty sure Bengus has gone through several pseudonyms. Oh wow. That does look like those old movie posters. That's awesome. And all these do. This is so cool. Ooh, Stanley Artgerm Lau. Man, that guy kicks ass. I love the way he does faces and hair. And his work in ink is just so, I mean, when you look at it up close, you can see like the stroke and stuff, but man, it's just pristine, very just amazing stuff. This is pretty cool. But yeah, I've watched several of his streams, kind of tried to learn a little bit more from him talking about hair and eyes and stuff. It's cool. I feel like he did this one piece of Morrigan that I feel like is my favorite rendition of her face. But yeah, Artgerm, he's a boss. I don't know why. I thought he would be a jerk just by looking at his art. Sometimes I get these weird vibes about an artist from their work, and I figured he'd be kind of pretentious, standoffish kind of guy, but from his streams, he's actually like super kind, and he answers a ton of questions even when people are asking like similar questions over and over again, and he interacts with the audience and seems to genuinely care. So Artgerm just seems awesome to me. Don't know him personally, but from the streams I've interacted with, it's great. I think I made him one of the people that I like host when my channel is offline on Twitch, just because I loved his streams so much and just drawing along with them. What a cowman. Kind of some mecha versions. That's awesome. There are other books. Well, that is the third one. For now, I think this is the only one available. I'm sure they're probably going to publish another one, and I'll have to try and get that whenever it comes out. Some things, I don't know. I wonder if I'm going to have to get like the Japanese version in the future, if I'm living in Korea or Japan, or who knows where I'll be. But some of those things might make getting some things easier and other things harder. For example, I want to get Koto Tsumi's newest red disc art book, but that one's been kind of hard to find. But if I'm in Asia, maybe it'll be a little bit easier. We'll see. But for right now, we got this one. It was great. Again, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, be sure to get them before they get to the resellers, because then they're going to jack up the prices like crazy on these books. It's a little expensive, but you're also getting a lot, and the quality is good. Be sure to like and subscribe. Slap some comments down there, I guess. Helps with the algorithm, and it's always nice to hear from you guys. And maybe check out Patreon. It helps me keep doing this and keeps the channel alive. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys again. Take care. You're such a